How I keep my kitchen from getting consistently messy. The kitchen is one place that has a mind of its own. I struggled with getting my kitchen organized until I found some pocket-friendly items that helped me out. Come with me, let me show you some of them. The first one is this paper towel hanger. You need this especially when you're cooking or you're serving stuff and there is mess around. You can just hold on to a leaf and do your cleaning. Another thing that is very essential is this right here. I don't know what it's called, but it's a wood and it's very good. As you're cooking and you're trying to get your pot out of the stove, you can just take your pot and put it right there, and it helps with that. You will need organizing containers. You really don't have to go for the very high and expensive ones. You can get pocket-friendly organizers to keep your kitchen organized, especially when you have kids and you're trying to, get food stuff handy. You can get things like this. Shove your spaghetti in them, and in the morning you're trying to do a very fast one, you grab a few of them and you cook. And you will need this bottle right here. This will save you from getting your gallon out every time you want to make a meal. You just put a little amount of oil in here, and every time you want to cook, you just dispense the oil in your pot and you're ready to cook instead of bringing the gallon out every other time. It's also aesthetically pleasing. It just keeps the place from looking messy. Then let's go to the containers. Container is one thing that helps you organize your life generally as a mother. Now we have a lot of food items that we're trying to store, and most time we don't like buying this item in smaller quantities. But what we can do, we can buy our item as much as we want to buy them and get containers to store them in it, so that when we are cooking, it's very handy. I want to make bean, I just grab this, take a little and keep it right there instead of having to go to the big bag of bean and start serving. Another type is for this spaghetti holder, where you can just grab your spaghetti, put it in there, and if you want to make a meal that is spaghetti, you open it, you pick just the little amount that you need, put the rest back, cover it and keep it. This saves you from having, the spaghetti sachet scattered and being messy all over. It helps organize your kitchen, and this has helped me a lot. So let's talk about our spices. What I did, I got some tiny containers like this that helps me organize different spices that I like. As African, we love spicy food, so having these containers just guides me and make me get as much spice as I want, and my spices are readily available at home for any time I want to use them. Because having those tiny spice container, we have some spices that come in sachet, very tiny. It keeps the place messy. When you buy them, a lot of them, before you know, the place is scattered. But when you have this organizer, you pour your spices in them, it keeps your house very clean and tidy, because little details like this matters. One very important fact is how you store your dishes. Now for me, I don't have big space. I am managing my space. We all know living abroad is very draining, where you have family but you have small space to live, and the way they build the houses here, you don't want me to talk about it. So you have to control just how much dishes you have. We don't have guests all the time, but we have guests sometimes. So you can leave a few, you can get a few more dishes for guests, but just get as much as you need. This helps you to also change when you want to change your set of dishes. You won't be, oh my God, I have a lot, why do I have to throw it away? But when there are a few, they are controllable, and also you can easily change them. So this is how I get to set my dishes. This is not all of them. I have the other one sitting in the dishwasher, but I just got exactly what I need per time, so I am not clogged. And that is it for this video about organizing. I have other things to show you that are very essential. I will show you in the part 2 of organizing your kitchen. This will be all for this video. I have a lot I want to show you, but I'm going to do a part 2 because I don't want to get you exhausted. We have a lot to talk about on how to do things differently to help us get that beautiful space as mothers and as family. I will see you in my next video. Please like this video, subscribe, and see you later.